How to choose solar wisely and avoid costly mistakes. Hello and welcome. If you're considering switching to solar energy, you're making a smart choice for both your wallet and the environment. But, like any big investment, it's important to avoid common mistakes. Today, we're going to discuss the 5 biggest mistakes people make when choosing solar. Let's get started. Mistake number 1, not understanding your energy needs. First up, the biggest mistake is not fully understanding your energy needs. You may think you know how much energy you use, but it's important to review your electricity bills over a year and account for seasonal variations. If you get the size of your system wrong, you could end up with a system that's too small or too large for your needs. Mistake number 2, choosing the cheapest option. The second mistake is choosing the cheapest option. While saving money up front is tempting, low-price systems often come with hidden costs or lower efficiency, leading to higher long-term expenses. Mistake number 3, ignoring system efficiency. Next, we have ignoring system efficiency. Not all solar panels are created equal. Lower efficiency panels might be cheaper, but they produce less energy, which means you'll need more space for a larger system. Mistake number 4, not understanding maintenance needs. Another mistake is not factoring in maintenance. While solar systems are generally low maintenance, they do need some care to keep performing optimally. This includes cleaning the panels and checking the system regularly. Mistake number 5, overlooking warranties and service support. Finally, many people overlook warranties and service support. A great warranty can give you peace of mind, but make sure you understand what's covered and for how long. Some companies offer long warranties, while others don't back up their products as well. When choosing a solar system, it's essential to start by understanding your energy needs thoroughly, as this will guide the system size. Don't rush into the cheapest option. Opt for quality equipment and a reputable installer, which will save you more in the long run. Pay attention to the efficiency of the panels you select, especially if you have limited roof space. Factor in long-term maintenance costs and make sure you're aware of the care your system will need. Lastly, always ensure your solar provider offers a solid warranty and excellent customer support to protect your investment. By following these tips, you'll be able to choose the right solar system for your needs and avoid the common mistakes that can cost you later. Remember, solar is a long-term investment, so take your time, do your research, and pick a system that will serve you well for years to come. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on going solar. See you next time.